Comments are really important in JavaScript because they allow us to leave notes for ourselves. Now, it seems kind of weird at first, but it is important to leave notes in our code for ourselves so that we know what we're doing. And sometimes if we're coding in a group or we're sharing code with other people, it's a way of letting other people know what it is we're doing. So in JavaScript, we can have a single line comment like this with the 2 forward slashes. We know they're forward slashes because they lean in the direction that we're reading. So they lean to the right, that's a forward slash. A slash that leans this way is a backslash. So 2 forward slashes, and then your comment for a single line. And then if you want to have a comment that spans multiple lines, then you would put a forward slash asterisk at the beginning of that comment and a asterisk forward slash at the end of that comment. And anything in between those 2 symbols is going to be your multi-line comment. So now remember, these comments are going to go inside your script. So if I put a comment like this here inside my script, I might say declaring my variables. Okay, so that's a note to myself. It says what it is I want to do. If I put a comment like that outside of the script block, then that's just going to appear as regular text in my web page because that is not a web page comment. You can see it appears right here. So for a web comment or an HTML comment, remember the format is like this. And that's how I leave a comment on my web page that's not visible. But if I view the page source, I can see it. There's the comment there. So make sure you're using the appropriate kinds of comments either in the HTML part of your script, or if it's inside the script blocks here, that's your JavaScript. And so we would use this kind of comment for a single line. And then if we want a multi-line comment, multi-line comment, and that can span as many lines as we want. So those are the different types of comments, and it's a good idea to leave comments in your code. And as we get into the class, I will ask you to comment your code and let me know what it is you're intending to do. Something like this, just letting me know throughout your code what it is I'm trying to do in that portion of the code allows me to understand and possibly help you if you're having trouble. So that's an important aspect of this class as well.